Tired of that belly fat and shapeless body haunting you every day? Just 4 weeks, and you'll witness a transformation that once seemed impossible. This is not just a workout, it's your story of taking control. Week 1. Prepare your body. Detox plus Foundation. Morning 15-minute run or brisk walk. Wake your fat up. 3 exercises daily. 2 sets. Jumping jacks, knee push-ups, 20-second plank diet. Lemon water every morning. Cut sugar. Avoid junk. Result: detoxifies your system, speeds up metabolism, and preps your body for transformation. Week 2. Burn fat and awaken muscles. Cardio. 20-minute jog or 300 jump ropes. 5 exercises: high knees, squats, knee push-ups, mountain climbers, side plank diet. Increase protein, eggs, chickpeas, lentils. Dinner before 8 p.m. Result: belly fat starts melting. Body feels energetic, muscles start responding. Week 3. Shape starts forming. Strength plus core. Cardio. 10 minutes skipping plus 10 minutes jog. 6 exercises, 3 sets. Push-ups, reverse crunches, 1-minute plank, jump squats, burpees, Russian twists. Diet. Cut white rice. Switch to brown bread. Still 0 sugar. Result: core tightening. Visible changes in arms, chest, and stamina builds up. Week 4. Visible results. Fat out, muscles in. Cardio, 15 minutes run. 300 jump ropes, final workout combo. 2 rounds. 1. Jumping jacks x 32 push-ups x 23 plank, 1 minute. 4. Mountain climbers x 25 5 leg raises x 20 diet. Add green tea daily, light dinner, fruits or soup. Result: sculpted shape, flat belly, broad chest, stronger mindset. Just 4 weeks, 28 days, and a brand new version of you will rise. The mirror that once disappointed you now reflects your dedication. Start today, because without a start, there's never a finish.